Yo, what's up, Bronco fam? If you love hitting the trails in your Ford Bronco but hate the closed-in vibe of full doors, you're not alone. Tube doors are the ultimate fix, giving you that open-air freedom while keeping you and your crew safe and secure. They're perfect for off-roading, trail crawling, or just flexing that rugged look around town. In today's video, we're breaking down the best tube doors for the Ford Bronco based on durability, design, and ease of install. All the links to these doors are in the description below, so check them out. Let's kick things off with the IAG front tube doors. These are made for the 2021 and up four-door Bronco. Sorry, sport owners. IAG nailed the balance between function and style. These doors bring that wide-open trail visibility while keeping your passengers secure, with a sturdy build and tight latching system. The mull panels are removable, and the black powder-coated finish looks slick. Bonus points for the soft close bumper and easy bolt-on install. No tools drama here. Optional colored logos let you flex your style too. Just note, they're built for off-road use only. Next up, we've got the Hooke Road adventure-style tube doors. If you're all about that rugged, off-the-grid look, these doors deliver. Made from heavy-duty 14-gauge steel and thick tubing, they're as solid as they come. The full set weighs in at 79 pounds. The latches are legit, working inside and out, with upgraded steel handles that feel premium. Plus, they've got a corrosion-resistant coating inside and out, so they'll hold up in the roughest weather. The set includes 4 doors and everything you need to install. Just remember, these are for off-road cruising only, not the freeway. Last, but definitely not least, we've got the rough country tube doors. These babies are built from 1.2 5-inch tubular steel, making them tough enough for serious off-road action. They offer max visibility and a killer open-air feel without compromising safety. Installation? Super simple. Bolt on, no drilling or cutting needed. You get front and rear doors, a secure latching system, and a durable black powder coat that resists rust. They fit like a glove on any 2021 or newer four-door Bronco. And yeah, these look straight up mean once installed. So there you have it. 3 killer options to level up your Bronco's off-road game. Whether you're chasing style, durability, or ease of install, each of these tube doors brings something unique to the table. Just don't forget, these are for off-road use only, so save the highway miles for your full doors. Hit those links in the description to check pricing and snag your set. If you dug this video, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss more Bronco gear reviews. Catch you on the trail.